Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here to share a very special product with you all, and this is Hydragun. Now, Hydragun is a performance technology company, and the key to this product is the future of sports recovery. And this is essentially, guys, a massage gun, a deep tissue massage gun, which should help with sports recovery, especially if I've been working out or out on these hikes. The next day, my legs are super duper sore, and I've been looking for a great handheld premium massage gun for a long time. That's why I was so excited when Hydragun reached out to me, and of course my wife is super excited about this product as well, as she does sometimes suffer from muscle pain, and this is going to be an incredible addition to my sports recovery routine. Let's not waste any time and unbox this bad boy. And I'm loving the box and the presentation. Hydragun and Frankie Tech, what a beautiful personalization, guys. Thank you. So here we go, we're going to cut this open, and let's open up this Hydragun. Pretty big box. Oh yeah, there we go. And I'm loving this branding. It is super simple. Lifting the lid, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No limits, Frankie Tech, Hydragun. And it says, hello Frankie, we're excited to have you experience firsthand how our flagship Hydragun sports recovery massage device can boost performance and recovery. And Hydragun has committed to becoming the world's most trusted in performance technology, empowering 1 million people to live their best lives through peak performance and recovery as well. So that is really cool. And to other companies out there, this is how you send out a product for unboxing. Heck yes. And so here's Hydragun itself in this carrying case. And what a nice carrying case it is. Really premium feeling. Let's move it out here. And it says, you're about to find out what it's like to hold the future in your hands. And I put a lot of care at making sure Hydragun looks and feels great. But let me tell you, this has been one of the most impressive unboxings I've had here on the channel in a long time. Now opening up the actual case, and let's have a look. There we go. And there's Hydragun itself, and man, this thing is a lot bigger than I expected. I definitely have seen some of these in the stores, but this thing feels really premium with this matte metal build quality and this very sturdy rubberized handle. This is a serious massage gun for serious athletes. We're going to set this aside for now, and let's have a look at all of these, which are the connectors that you can use to really give your muscles the recovery they need. But I love the fact that all of these tips come with their designated spot here. And what is this? Let's have a look. And how thoughtful, they've actually included different connectors for different countries. Here's the UK plug I'll be using, but this is for Europe, and this is for the US, to be able to have all the adapters you need and to bring Hydragun with you on your travels. Wherever you go, you will have compatibility with the adapters no matter what. And it looks like this is the user manual for Hydragun. Are you ready? I am ready, man. With all the information here and the ways to use it as well. And there you see all the different heads you can use, from the ball, fork, bullet, including these steel heads. And it looks like each of these is designed for a different part of your body or different muscles, from your glutes, quads, and calves to a more deeper massage for your forearms and calves, and the bullet here for an even deeper massage. And I gotta say, this is one of the nicest manuals for a product that I've ever seen as well. So Hydragun, you're knocking it out of the park with this unboxing so far. And so here we go. I'm gonna do a first demo of Hydragun. And there you see it says press and hold. Press again. Let's remove this. And there you see it. This is the power button, and it shows you the battery level. But I guess you press again now to toggle the speed. So this will be speed number 1. There it goes. Speed number 2. Speed number 3. Wow. 4, 5, and 6. That is incredible. Let's bring that down here. Back to off. And guys, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it right now. Let me try this out on my back, and you're going to hear the real-time first experience of Hydragun here on Frankie Tech. Definitely feeling that. I think 1 is a little bit weak, so let's go to 2, and let's go to 3. I think 3 is the sweet spot for me, and I'm definitely feeling, oh, that kneading action right on my shoulder blade, which has been hurting this last week, and oh man. Oh man. What can I say, guys? I'm going to need some more time here with Hydragun. But initial impressions, this thing is amazing, and easily one of the most memorable unboxing experiences I've ever done here on Frankie Tech. But of course, like all my reviews, this has been the unboxing section, and now I need to test this thing out and come back with my full review of Hydragun at that time. Stay tuned. So back again, guys, after a bit of time, and what can I say about this Hydragun that I didn't already? It is just a terrific product. From the build quality to the features to all the additional accessories you get. This, by the way, this bullet has been very good for foot massages and the ball for general massages. But I gotta say, the one I've been using the most has been this fork, which has been really good for shoulder massages, and that's probably what I've used this Hydragun for the most. The best part, though, was being able to bring this Hydragun over to my in-laws for Mother's Day, and I was able to test this out for her, and she absolutely loved it. They were already asking where could they pick up this device for themselves. They were just in love with this product. And really, the only slight nitpick I would have is that the buttons, sometimes at certain lighting, are kind of hard to see. But beyond that, the battery on this thing does last a long time. And I've been using it pretty much daily, and it has not gone below nearly fully charged the entire time. And guys, very soon I will be heading back to the gym to restart my lifting routine. And so Hydragun is going to become one of my essential tools for my sports recovery routine. But it's the sum of its parts that really makes this product very special, from the build quality to the carrying case to the whole presentation. But let me tell you guys, a big part of it was the unboxing experience. And this unboxing just proved to me that when a company wants to make the effort to delight their customers and to actually deliver something that's personal, that's unique, and that's special, they can do it. And this has been a great example of where an unboxing experience of a product was just totally enhanced by the unboxing and the presentation of the product. So Hydragun, congratulations and mad props for this incredible unboxing experience. And of course, the product itself is terrific. I will continue to use this Hydragun and will follow up in the future. So check links in the description on where you can pick up your own Hydragun. And thanks once again to Hydragun for sending this one out. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on Hydragun? And do you agree that this is one of the most special unboxings that I've ever done here on the channel? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Always love bringing different and unique tech here to the channel. So I do hope that you enjoyed this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Now that's how you ship a product. No limits, baby. Oh yeah.